This is Dietary, your nutritionist and dietitian and friend. Today I have come with the topic Navratri fasting. So let us discuss. Navratri fasting is done twice in a year. It is during the transitional time when the season is changing from spring to summer and from autumn to winter. During seasonal change, many of the people they fall ill. So that is the major reason for boosting your internal immunity. So Navratri fasting is very scientific and it is absolutely an amazing practice which should be done by everybody. Now, let me tell you what are the benefits of Navratri fasting. First and foremost, a total gluten-free diet is practiced. Many of us, we are allergic to gluten, and gluten has this tendency to get stuck to your small intestine for many people, and it leads to inflammation. So it is very good as it is gluten-free. The fasting, it has been shown that with fast, our body cleanses itself. It detoxifies itself. When we are fasting, our liver can work for other functions other than just keeping on to digest our food. So fasting is very scientific. And another very important thing about fasting, especially Navratri fasting, is it can lead to reduction of blood glucose level, cholesterol level, and which in turn could be very beneficial for our heart health. Many people during Navratri fasting, they eat just one solid or cooked meal. So what does it help with? It is very good as a tool for intermittent fasting, and it has been shown with intermittent fasting, our body gets a time for autophagy. What is autophagy? Autophagy is a system through which the cells of the body or the damaged cells of the body gets cleaned up, and it leads to regeneration of new cells, which in turn leads to boosting of our immunity, which will keep us healthy during the transitional period of season change. In modern times, we have this tendency of overeating, which we do not understand also. During Navratri, as with proper meal, proper food items, we can go for a calorie restricted diet. This leads to reduction of body weight and body water, because a very high potassium rich food is practiced or eaten during this period of time. So with the loss of weight comes a huge variety of health benefits: reduction in blood sugar level, reduction in cholesterol level, and also it can be very beneficial for PCOD and hypothyroidism. So it has a huge array of benefits which most of the younger generation, they do not understand, and they think it is an idle ritual, but it is not. It is very scientific. According to Ayurveda, fasting is very essential for our body. When we are fasting, it transforms our body from tamas or that lethargic state to rajas, and then through that energy we can slowly progress towards sattva, which is also very essential and important. With a proper state of mind and a calm and tranquil mind, we can practice meditation and look into ourselves. We can flourish as the beautiful human being or the soul what we really are. So this fasting balances our mind, cleanses our thought process, and it leads to a transition towards sattvic lifestyle or sattva. During Navratri, we do not use or take rice, wheat, or any kind of these kind of grains. All kind of fruits, dairy products like milk, chena, and also buttermilk, these kind of things are absolutely permitted during Navratri. Other than that, millets like barnyard millet is allowed. Vegetables like pumpkin, carrot, sweet potato, etc. are eaten during this period of fasting. We also do not take common table salt. Instead of common table salt, what we do, we take rock salt, which has a wide range of minerals in it. So all these food items are strategically presented so that our body can absorb and get maximum amount of nutrition. As as most of us, we follow intermittent fasting already during Navratri. But what happens after the fasting? We get very hungry and we end up eating fried food, puris, kachoris, kind of those things. But that really hinders our weight loss journey. So I have given you a diet which has sweet potato fries but not fried. So you can have those recipes and you can add it to different food also, which also I have suggested, and you can have this wonderful diet plan with which I can assure you that within 9 days you will be losing up to 5 kg of weight. So please follow this diet and then you write to me if you have lost or not. Let me know.